If you want to know how to write an ebook and make money, you're in the right place. There are multiple publishing platforms out there to help you get your first ebook live. And the whole process is pretty simple. The best part is, once you publish an ebook, that's it, it's there, you don't have to do anything with it after that. That's why ebook writing is actually one of the best ways you can earn passive income. Ready? Let's cover everything you need to know to publish your first ebook. Before we get started, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss more important updates than this one. Number 1. Pick a niche. When you're getting ready to become an ebook author and write your own ebook, it's important to plan first. Whether you're interested in writing fiction or non-fiction, to come up with a best-selling ebook idea, you need to decide on a niche. One of the main reasons a niche is important is that it makes it easier to establish yourself as an authority on your subject. Number 2. Choose a topic. We'd recommend writing about something you're genuinely interested in, rather than just choosing a topic that you think is going to make you money. Your readers will be able to tell if you're passionate about the subject, and getting the words down on paper will be a lot easier for you as well. The key is to create a title that highlights your topic and resonates with your target audience. The combination of a great title and well-designed cover are going to draw possible buyers in more than anything else. There are a couple different strategies you can follow when coming up with a title. Try to come up with a series of titles for your ebook. After you've got a handful of titles, ask your friends and family to look over the list and pick out their 2 favorites. Based on their feedback, test the final 2 with a cheap Google AdWords campaign. This is what Tim Ferriss did to come up with the title of his best-selling book, The 4-Hour Workweek. Once you've picked your ebook topic and come up with a working title, it's time to start writing. Number 4. Draw out your outline. Write a list of the chapters you'll need, using the main topics as headings. Try to make each chapter flow logically into the next. Break each chapter down into 3 to 5 key points, using subheadings. Add stats and sources if possible. Show where images or graphics should appear. End with a conclusion that summarizes your main points and includes a call to action. Number 5. Start writing. You can approach each chapter in the same way you write a blog post. Use subheadings and bullet points to improve clarity and readability. Keep the formatting consistent across chapters to make it more readable. You can then add a table of contents to help readers navigate the ebook. You can as well hire a good writer. A good marketing agency has access to thousands of writers who specialize in writing for specific industries in various formats. Finally, make it look attractive. People judge the value of content based on how it looks. Consider using some of the following techniques to make your ebook more appealing, credible, and readable. Number 6. Proofreading and cover design. Grammarly, Google Docs are also a free program that not only checks spelling, it makes sure the word choice is correct based on context. Hire someone who is to create a great ebook cover for you. Remember, you only get one chance to make a good first impression, and that cover is going to be what your potential readers see first most of the time. Number 7. Publish and promote your ebook. Choosing a publishing platform is very easy. Depending on where you are looking to sell your ebook, you would have to have your ebook formatted accordingly. One of the most popular places to publish an ebook is through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform. You can also leverage iBooks, Nooks, and Amazon's partnership for Audible to make an audio version of your book. I love audiobooks, and this makes a natural channel for your novel. In conclusion, creating your first ebook may be difficult, but it's worth it in the long term. It will help to drive website traffic, build your authority, and drive sales for years to come. That will be all for today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.